morning from Conception. We got up at 5:30 this morning to get a car down to this place, this little harbour here called Conception, and we're going on our final island hopping tour to Black Beach, Black Island, and Pass Island. We're getting the boat from here, and I think it's quite a fairly long boat journey to Pass Island and Black Beach. I'm gonna find out the name. Yeah, I just checked, it's called Black Island and Pass Island. So yeah, Conception's a little tiny little port, a few boats here, little beach, cute little huts where you can have breakfast or a drink or something. It's a really sweet place. Yeah, we're gonna head off soon. We had a coffee. We're offered some beer, but we're gonna take that for later on. Everyone's a bit tired this morning. It's like yesterday was a hectic day and hiking up the mountain and everything. But yeah, we're gonna go now to the island and get on the boat and enjoy the last island tour of the Philippines.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
We're going here. Pass Island is here, and we came here first on the trip today because in the afternoon it gets full of people. So first stop, Pass Islands. Made it to Pass Island. The sand is white. There's palm trees everywhere. We're the only people here. It is amazing. Pass Island is something else. There's no one here. There's a boat there. It is just, this is literally like Paradise Island. This is it. When you think of it in the movies and when people tell you about it, this is it. The water is incredible. Every day I see clear water, and then every day we come somewhere new and it's even clearer than the day before. What do you reckon?
Paradise.
Paradise?
Absolute paradise.
Yeah, so it took maybe half an hour, 45 minutes, I'd say, from Conception to get here. Here you can actually stay on here for the night. It's around 1,000 pesos a night. Volleyball court, there's cabanas where you can have food. There's a little shack where you can buy mango shakes. I'm sure you can buy a beer. We managed to buy a crate of beers from some 12-year-old kids who probably didn't know that they were not allowed to sell it to us.
Oh man, they're so good.
Another slow-mo sandwich eating.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Hi, Island.
Yeah.
Hi.
To be fair, no one. I was like, oh, we'll be fine. I was like,
Everyone will be alright.
We just left. What do we pass Bay?
Pass Island.
just left Pass Island, and we have 1.5 hours cruising to Black Island. So 1.5 hours of this is great. What do you think of the beach, Olivia?
I think the most beautiful, maybe among the most beautiful beaches I've ever been to.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's good.
You ready?
I'm not ready.
You're not ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
We're just gonna reach Black Island. Here. Nothing around. Island number 2. So we just finished about an hour, 20 minutes boat ride from Pass Island. Now we arrived at Black Island. The locals say that this is the best beach. So we're doing a test between Pass Island and Island to see which one is the actual best. It's beautiful. The name Black Island is from the cliffs, the granite cliffs that look kind of black, I guess. Super cool. And they just rise up from the beach. It's super cool. Landed here. We're all going up to the huts behind the trees. We're gonna have lunch up there, and Belle is gonna cook for us. She's vlogging. She's doing it. Belle, what's for lunch?
We have buffalo wings.
Oh.
We have pansy canton.
Oh.
We have rice of
No
course.
rice.
And we have salad.
It looks good.
Echo.
Belle, this is from your restaurant?
Yes, it's from my restaurant.
And what's the restaurant called?
It's Le Voyage. Means what it means?
The Voyage.
Yeah, means travel. I want to combine travel with food together. When you travel, you always have food, right?
Oh. Hand hopping's too much for some. Night, sweetheart. We're okay. Belle has roped me into another cave trip, but this one is like, this is the cave, right?
This is very easy hiking cave.
Climb and see another cave. Come on down. What did you find? Crystals.
Don't steal it.
Cave verdict?
Cave is really cool.
Would you come back?
I came back many times already.
Yeah?
Yeah.
This is actually where Belle's from, in this cave. Belle emerged from here and she left.
Probably not like a cave.
Oh, the cave is here. I see you. I see the light.
What is there?
Chris? It's really dark now in here. Can't see anything.
Come here, it's so beautiful.
Coming. I don't know if you can see this, but this is all glittering. It's all like crystallized. Maybe salt or something. It's completely in the dark. Oh, there you go. You can see it's all... Oh, crystallized. Oh, wow, it's so cool. Belle, what do you think?
Yeah, it's amazing. It's so beautiful. I think if you sleep here, you will get more energy from the nature.
Yeah. Belle, thanks for the cave tour.
You're welcome. Thank you, Felicia.
Thank you, Issa.
Thank you.
Entrance to cave is here. Other entrance is up there, and it kind of loops around. If you come to Black Island, Try and find the caves. They're just up from the beach. You don't have to walk very far. We did it in barefoot, but probably maybe use some shoes. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Something that I wasn't expecting to see here. So we finished lunch, explored the caves. Now everyone's kind of just chilling. We've got some of the guys up here just having some beers and just hanging out. The rest of everyone is in the sea, enjoying the water. How's the Black Island, everyone?
Black is awesome.
Black, so it's awesome.
Complaints?
No complaints from Mike over there. Hey, Mike.
Right, let's go get the shipwreck. They're good for the videos too.
So we just finished our day at Black Island. Now we're gonna head back to the mainland Coron. We went skulking around the shipwreck as well, which was awesome. If you can make it here, like, I think it's quite far for people to come from Coron, so it's definitely worth making the trek out to do it and going to Pass Island and then to Black Island. Both are really worth the trip. And you know, there's lots of caves, and you can hike up to the top of the mountain as well. We didn't do the hike because of the mountain we climbed yesterday to the cave. I'm gonna head back now and have dinner at Belle's restaurant. Gotta head to the boat. Actually, everyone's already on the boat, so I have to go. Okay, see you on the next video.